17 Modern Christmas Decor Ideas. Retire your pine wreath in place of a different evergreen this year. This chic version from Treasures and Travels uses eucalyptus and dried berries to create a toned-down and modern take on a holiday classic. We love how understated, yet beautiful, this wreath is, plus, you can make yourself it in just an afternoon. While a large, statement-worthy Christmas tree is traditional, we say more is more when it comes to holiday decor. Add a few charming miniature trees to your mantle or tablescape as a way to sprinkle additional cheer throughout your home. We love these quaint fresh trees from Say Yes, made using pine tree scraps and trunk slices. Another hallmark of modern Christmas decor is a monochromatic palette. This Christmas, update your decor without buying new decorations simply by keeping each display harmonious in color, like this silver metallic look from the Chronicles of Home. Other great color options for the holiday season include winter whites, berry reds, or something unexpected and dramatic, like deep navy. Make every spot the best seat in the house by decorating the back of dining chairs with elegant add-ons. Here, shades of blue interiors uses chalkboard signs plus greenery, ribbon, and adorable jingle bells to denote each person's spot at the table. This year, ditch faux evergreen wreaths in favor of a modern metallic style instead. This lovely minimalistic wreath from Sugar and Charm is unexpected in all the best ways. To recreate the look, pick up a gold hoop from a craft store. If you can't find gold, a wooden embroidery hoop also works. Attach a few pine cones and fir sprigs using floral wire, and hang anywhere you would a traditional wreath, like over your mantle or on the front door. These mid-century inspired Christmas trees from Homeo Mai are the perfect way to incorporate Scandinavian-inspired decor into your home to create a cozy, inviting space. Balsa wood tree frames that keep things simple and fresh, while black, white, and copper ornaments make for a modern trio. There's a lot to love about these DIY ornaments from the sweetest occasion. The ombre of teal colors is an unexpectedly pretty take on traditional Christmas hues, and then there's the glam gold leafing. Metallics are always a great way to inject some holiday cheer, but the modern feel of gold leafing will definitely take your tree up a notch. Add some whimsy to your modern Christmas decor with DIY paper banners. The easy project marries vintage charm with more modern geometric shapes and can be crafted to suit any holiday vibe or color palette. Our suggestion: pick deep, solid hues like hunter green or maroon to keep your banners feeling mature and sophisticated. We love a fresh-cut Christmas tree as much as the next person, but this DIY wooden tree from Vintage Revivals is a great idea for a home that's short on space. Easily made using wooden dowels and completed with the ornaments of your choice, it's a playful addition that will have holiday guests admiring your handiwork all season long. Modern Christmas decor doesn't have to be minimalist and stark. Case in point, this glam wooden ornament DIY from A Beautiful Mess. Metallics are a great way to make any home feel festive around the holidays and, when paired with modern decor touches like a white faux tree, effortlessly nod to a contemporary Christmas vibe. For a charming holiday, take on a gallery wall, collect a handful of simple wreaths in varying sizes, and hang them behind a dining table or buffet. Another simple trick: to avoid putting dozens of holes in your wall, string each wreath on a different length of ribbon and hang them all on a branch for added modern simplicity. To deck out your fireplace in mid-century modern Christmas flair, pair a strand of wooden beads, like this DIY version from Oleander plus Palm, with a simple swag of greenery. We love the look of eucalyptus, for a chic but easy holiday scene. Here's another way to miniaturize your Christmas tree. This adorable display from Sugar and Cloth uses wooden forms and paint to make an easy, Nordic-inspired DIY. The mint green and gold in this example are the perfect color combination if you're looking for modern Christmas decor, but you could use any hues that match your holiday style. Bring a bit of greenery to every inch of your holiday decor with these sprig-filled ornaments from Style Files. To mimic this charming look, fill empty plastic ornament bulbs with sprigs of long-lasting greenery like eucalyptus or pine, then hang on your tree using a metallic ribbon. Modern Christmas decor is all about freshening up traditional ideas, like this twist on a tree stand. Ditch your old metal green and red version and instead house your fur in something more charming, like a simple natural woven basket. The cute tree stand above from the merry thought is best used on smaller spruces and is a great way to avoid using a dated tree skirt to cover the trunk. When picking out table accessories for your modern Christmas decor, think about adding texture, color, and greenery. This simple place setting uses linen napkins, a few sprigs of pine, and fresh cinnamon sticks to create an inviting dinnertime scene. Bonus, your table will smell great even before the turkey comes out. Drying oranges and other fruits for the holiday season is a Victorian Christmas tradition that actually looks incredibly chic in a modern household. Plus, according to feng shui experts, dried oranges ward off bad luck and cleanse a home for the coming new year. We adore this simple orange garland from Kelly Brown Photographer. It could easily be recreated with dried cranberries, lemons, or any other fruits or herbs that suit your holiday style. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.